Welcome to Money Makers TV, and this week I got a nice video for you guys. If you're like a affiliate marketer or somebody that posts a lot of links, or even somebody just shares a lot of links and a lot of pictures and stuff, you actually can earn money by posting shorten up your links, and if people click on it, up to 1,000 people, you can earn $15. And as you can see, up to 10,000 views is $150 per link. So it's pretty awesome if you got one of those high volume channels. If you got a high volume Instagram, um, YouTube channels, you can just so what'll happen is I'll click to here, and so if I know people's gonna click on this, I'll copy that and go right to, and of course you have to make your own account. So when you do this, you're actually gonna go and make your account. I already got an account, so what I'll do here is just post that link in here. It'll go, and then it'll give me a link to copy. Now I can follow that on my dashboard. Let me actually go to the dashboard. So here, actually copy that, and if I needed to send it to people, or send it to a channel, I actually can do that. So the payout rates, let's go to the payout rates. So as you can see, for the United States it's $13. Well, it went down actually. It's $13 per 1,000 views. So if you get a lot of traffic and you post that link, you could potentially owe $13. And like I said, all the way up to $150 per link. What will happen with that link though, if you get over the 10,000, actually you can't earn any more money off that link. So you will have to redo the link and then earn up to another $150 per 10,000 views. So yeah, this is a great tool if you're doing affiliate marketing. If you've got a high Instagram, Facebook, Twitter account that you like to share stuff on, and people it's very viral. This is a nice way to earn some extra money. So again, on this channel, you can click the subscribe button down below. I usually give a lot of tips on how you make money online, how you can do earn some extra money. Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, YouTube, and just some job stuff too. So yeah, just click on the link below. I'll see you in the next video.